Hi all, I'm at the beautiful Strata building here at MIT learning about um, deep learning large language models for robotics. That's a topic for another day. Today I'm going to do a demo on forecasting using the ChatGPT-4o. Each time, I've been trying this like maybe 15, 20 times today, and each time with the same data, it's been doing it slightly differently. So let me show you the data first. I won't talk about what this data is currently because we're working on a paper, but basically it has time and value, and it's a cyclical data, and it goes all the way to time equals to 0 from minus uh, 345, and that's the hours. And what I asked it to do is, I told it that you're a data analysis expert. Could you look at the time and value fields of the series array of the attached based on, the series array, and predict the next 72 hours from time equals to 1 to time equals to 72. Whether the time field is in hours, please take into account cyclical variation data. And I attached that JSON file. Let's see how it does. So sometimes it's been doing the analysis like directly and showing me the results. Sometimes it's been writing Python code and then asking me if I want to run the code or having me run the code myself. So let's see what it does this time. Okay, so looks like it did something. The variation is kind of not, sometimes I've gotten better results in this variation. So seeing the clinical trend and seasonal components identified in the historical data. Let's see, sometimes it talks about the method it used. So observe within the trend, there's some seasonal variation, residual. It didn't really talk about the method this time. And then the plot is like slightly off. It starts at this 200. So we say, could you plot the observe and forecast data in the same time axis? Let's see if it'll to plot it better. There's a plot showing. So it actually didn't plot it better. It started at this 200 thing. Don't know exactly why, because the data is actually starting at 1 and not at 200. So sometimes this actually works better. I think if I look at my last experiment, actually plotted it right next to each other, and this time there was no cyclical variation. The forecast, the plot in the forecast, does not start at 0 to be used to run that. Let me see if that does it better. And now it corrected it. And let's see, the forecast variation is much lower than the variation in the data. If you re-evaluate the forecast, let's see if it does better. Okay, came up with more data. Okay, let's see. It still kind of did not kind of reproduce the variation there. I'll be figuring out ways to do this better and then posting another video. Until then, bye.